Hey everybody, well it's the Thanksgiving week and it's been a little bit colder than normal here, but it's a beautiful sunny day. It's kind of chilly still, but it's warmed up from what it was this morning. It's hazy, the haze has kind of set in here in Utah, but hey, it's a beautiful bright day. I have the day off, let's go flying.
Okay, well, welcome aboard, everybody. We are just about ready for engine start here. Our pre-flight is done and complete, and so we are ready to fire Snoopy up here, get her started, and I'm going to do a little short hop up over to Malad, Idaho today. Clear prop. Alright, engine run-up is complete, checklist is complete, we're ready for departure to Malad. Short little about 40-minute flight.
City traffic, says Downwind Tango left Crosswind 35, touch and go, Brigham.
Brigham City traffic, Cessna 474 holding short, runway 35, Brigham.
Brigham City traffic, says Downwind Tango left Downwind 35, touch and go, Brigham.
Okay, last minute checks are done. Let the RV get out here and get some, let the wake turbulence kind of dissipate for just a minute. Brigham City traffic, Cessna 474 taking runway 35 for a north departure, Brigham. Alright, oil pressure's good, oil temp's good, airspeed's alive, there's 60.
City traffic, RV 1418 Foxtrot is clear to the northwest, final call.
Brigham City traffic, says Downwind Tango left base 35, touch and go, Brigham.
Well, welcome aboard the flight here. Thanks for jumping on board with me today. Gonna climb up to 5,500. There was a little wake turbulence from that RV. Brigham City traffic, Cessna 474, about a mile and a half north of the field at 5,000, climbing 5,500 northbound, Malad, or Brigham.
Brigham City traffic, Aero 707 just came over from Logan. Be southbound headed to Brigham City. I'll stay on the west side of I-15 for the traffic.
And 707 Cessna 474, I've got you on ADS-B. I'll stay to the east, kind of along the mountain range over here. We should have good separation that way. Thanks.
Copy 707.
Cessna 474. Well, there's quite a haze layer, so again, we got that inversion that's settled in here to Utah, and it's not very pretty stuff. Flying over the Bear River right now. Bear River is a major source of water for the Great Salt Lake. You've probably seen the news about the Great Salt Lake drying up, and it is. I've lived in Utah almost my entire life, and I remember when the water levels were so high it flooded homes back in the 80s, and to compare that to now is amazing. I don't know what's going to happen with that over the next few years if something doesn't really change. Brigham City traffic, Cessna 474, about 15 miles to the north over Fielding, 5,700 northbound. Last call, Brigham. cruising along at 100 indicated, 112 ground speed. Turning about 2350 RPM. What a beautiful afternoon for a flight. If I had time, I'd run into town, buy a lottery ticket.
City traffic, Cessna 81, take a left crosswind 35, touching over.
Grab a Pepsi or something. Malad area traffic, Cessna 474, 9 miles southeast over I-15, 5,500, inbound to land Malad. Any traffic in the pattern, please advise.
Flat traffic, Kodiak 132, we're in the pattern, midfield, runway 35, southbound.
We'll watch for you. We're going to set up for the 45 entry to the upwind and then come back around for the downwind for 35, Malad.
Copy that. We're about to turn base, touch and go.
Malad area traffic, Cessna 474, 4 miles to the southeast on the 45 entry to the upwind for runway 35. We have the traffic on final insight. We'll fall in behind you, Malad. Malad traffic, Cessna 474, 2 mile 45 to the upwind for runway 35. We have the departure traffic in sight, Malad. Malad traffic, Cessna 474, established on a midfield left upwind for runway 35, Malad. Stand out just a little, give him some room. Yeah, we should be good now. Malad traffic, Cessna 474, left crosswind, runway 35, Malad. Malad traffic, Cessna 474, left downwind, runway 35, Malad.
Malad traffic, Kodiak 132, left base, runway 35, touch and go.
Not see the base traffic. Haze just makes it a little bit tricky. Okay, midfield, we'll go ahead and go carb heat on. Oh, now I got the base traffic.
Flat traffic, Kodiak 132, turning final, runway 35.
1,002, 1,003, we'll go ahead and get 10 degrees of flaps in. And there's a bird right ahead of me. I'm gonna kick over to the right just a little bit here. See what I mean about birds? You always gotta look for birds. Don't want to get slow either right now, so. Malad traffic, Cessna 474, extended left downwind for 35 for spacing. Clear that engine, we're good. Malad traffic, Cessna 474 left base, runway 35, Malad. That bird is just kind of in a really bad spot there. Malad traffic, Cessna 474 is on final, runway 35, full stop, Malad.
Malad traffic, Skyhawk 132, departing pattern. Eastbound maneuvers east of the field.
And we're down, flaps coming up, car feet off. Wasn't too bad, a little squirrely there before touchdown, but nice and soft touchdown. Well, thanks for coming along on a flight to Malad, Idaho. We'll get out here in a second and kind of check things out. It's actually a pretty cool place. I like coming up here to Malad. Always fun. Like there's a Kodiak on the ramp. That's pretty cool. And that thing looks gigantic compared to my little 150. We'll taxi up and park next to it. Like it's the state of Idaho. All right, everybody. Well, thanks. We'll see you in a minute.
Well, we made it to Malad, Idaho. Beautiful flight up here. We parked next to an awesome Kodiak. We'll have to go walk around that. That's just slightly bigger, just slightly bigger than the 150. Anyways, let's go check Malad Airport out. I don't know if you can see this, but Malad was one of the original airmail routes. And here's a little placard on the light beacon tower. That's pretty cool. So it says contract airmail route. Salt Lake to GF, I'm guessing Great Falls. If you can see that. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so landed here at Malad and parked next to this beautiful aircraft. State of Idaho Kodiak. What a beautiful aircraft. Love the paint job. Hey everybody, thanks for joining me on my flight from Brigham City to Malad today. It was a great way to spend the afternoon. So if you want to see the return trip from Malad back to Brigham City, make sure you hit the subscribe button. But please, at least hit the like button. That way it helps my channel grow. So join us next time. See ya and have a great Thanksgiving.